Jolene, 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 Jolene. La da 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 da. Ba-dum ba-dum bum ba. You don't know the words to that song. It doesn't really matter if I say Jolene, 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 Jolene. Oh, that's great. Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. And I am Nana BOOZHOO. And today, I thought it would be nice to, let's just do a random Ojibwe language lesson. You guys want to help us out with that?
Yeah, I can do that.
Why are you always laughing like that? So creepy. So yeah, this is our Bagwana Ojibwe Moan lesson. This is our random Ojibwe Moan lesson. So why don't you start us off, sweetie?
Okay. Ikwe, woman. Ikwe, woman. My word is that, because I'm a woman. I am woman, hear me roar. What?
All right. And I will say, ININI, man. ININI, man. All right. Okay, Mukwa, why don't you do one?
How about DEWE'IGAN, drum. DEWE'IGAN, drum, like this one right here. DEWE'IGAN, drum. It's the heartbeat of Mother Earth. It's the heartbeat of the people.
All right. Well, thank you. And then we got, hey, Benjamin, you want to help us out?
Oh, yeah, I think I can do that. NISAYE, my older brother. Anamosh is NISAYE. Anamosh is my older brother. Back to you, Nana BOOZHOO.
And then let's go over to Paul Stanley. Hey, Paul, do you have an Ojibwe word you can teach the kids?
I sure do, Nana BOOZHOO. Today's Ojibwe word, MIIGWECH. Thank you. MIIGWECH. And I want to say thank you for all the fans for supporting us over the years.
Paul.
MIIGWECH. Thank you. Back to you, Nana BOOZHOO.
Oh, and then of course, let's see who's left. Oh yeah, Anamosh. Anamosh, can you teach us an Ojibwe word? Well, I guess I'd say Nishime, my younger sibling, like Benjamin here. Nishime, my younger sibling. Back to you, Nana BOOZHOO. Oh, and then that leaves, let's see. Is that enough, you think?
Yeah, that's plenty. It's getting kind of long.
All right. Well, hey, thank you for watching
BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO,
the podcast about Ojibwe language
and culture. I am Natasha.
I am Nana BOOZHOO.
And I am MIIGWECH.
And I am Benjamin.
I am Anamosh.
And I am Paul Stanley.
And I will see you again.
GIGAWABAMIN.
MINAWAA. Oh, okay, good job.
Thanks, sweetie.
And if you don't love me now, you will never love me again.
I can still hear you saying we must never break the chain.
All right, let's try another one.